You want I bet you on the floor. Big carpet here like Mayweather. Tula come through and bubble hole. Got millions out there. They hate it, but they stole the flow. Got back in at the back end. Come. I stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch. She a head case. All she do is shoot.
Hello, my GloStars and GloGetters. Your girl Mo, aka For Princess.
And it's your boy GGC, aka the Great Value Boy.
We're back with another video.
Yeah, man, it's the 4th of July. We finna get ready to pop these fireworks, and it's finna go real dumb. We already got the kids here with us running. Ready? Slow down, slow down. Say, hey, Glow fam.
Hey!
P that, slow down. Say, hey, Glow fam.
Hey, Glow fam.
I got my nephew Omarion. Alright. Yeah, he gonna help me out. Nephew gonna help me out. Like these fireworks, man. Y'all already know the drill. Before we get into the content though, you already know to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification so you never miss the post from your girl. Alright, man. We finna go and get right into this video, man. So let's get it. Choo! Ha ha! Oh, you bought the Oh, what's that? What's the most? That's it? Going around hard. Good. I don't know what it's gonna do. It might go crazy. So just bear with me. Hope we don't have to run. All right, y'all back up. Back up. Get back. Big one over there.
Look at the face.
Y'all, we in our apartment complex shooting fireworks. And we ain't the only person. There's a lot of folks in here popping. You heard that? Yeah, there's a lot of us popping tonight.
Hello.
Alright, y'all, so my man gonna pop something. No, he popping. Look at the kids, y'all. Look at the kids. Ain't nothing popping, is it? A little bit. Just a little bit, mama.
Ready? Hold on to it tight.
There ain't no popping. Somebody else popping over there. Somebody else popping. Pop now.
This is right here.
Y'all hear it though, camera. But there's somebody popping. They got the moon tonight. They're gonna pop some more.
But Daddy finna do that. So funny. Mario!
Damn.
Oh my god.
My AI just changed. Just paused the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait?
That one a little bit too much. Too much nothing, y'all.
I think I lied for you. I think I died.
That goes in.
Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you're wrong too. Control. Yeah, like control.
What? How did it change? That's changing.
You like it when I get
All right, y'all check this out, Blue fam. They out here dropping these cannons in our neighborhood though, but I got my little crystal fountain. Let's see how that works. Let's get it. Chill.
like control.
Wait, that's not Candy Rock. Candy Rock is a town sweet.
Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to hurt me. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me.
July the 4th is the best.
Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like control. Like control. But you can't just listen, come tell me sorry. You can't listen to me talking, don't tell my story. Don't work like that when you love somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and I'm working on it. That's why I need the energy that you bring. My last love was very strong. Never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I die for you.
All right, Blue fam.
I think I die for
We finna drop the diamond cutters. Let's see what that's about. Let's get it. Chill.
The diamond cutter!
Tá bem, back up.
That was big one!
Blue fam, that last one we dropped, that short stack, I will say that's the best one we didn't drop so far. That thing was hitting, you feel me? All right, back to the show. Let's get it. Alright, fam. Short stack was hidden last time. I told you it was the best. So we finna go ahead and double up on it. 2 short stacks. Let's get it.
You ready? Yeah.
Y'all get on the side.
Go.
Alright.
Oh. Oh.
Alright, Glo fam. Can do the sparklers now. Let's get it. Let the girl go. Let the girl go. Alright. Hold it. Alright, get it. Don't move. Don't put your hands up. Keep right there. Put your hand out this way. Put your hand out. Don't drop it.
What do I do?
You don't want to burn. You don't want to light. We got the sparklers now.
Throw me off.
What happened? You over there?
I want to raise it around.
You gotta hold it.
But it's sparkling now.
It ain't gonna do nothing. It's gonna stop right there. Gotta grab right at the tip. Change your mind?
I don't know.
Okay. And my time.
Baby Peanut finna hold sparkle for the very first time, yeah. She never wore before.
Joke was not light. Why you running, baby? Come on. Scared? They scared and don't know what to grab them.
Let's get it.
Why y'all scared? Oh! They so scared to grab it. It ain't gonna hurt you.
It's funny. Why you come? That's funny. It's funny.
Oh, there you go. Okay, back. Okay,
Come
back.
here.
See that? Look, look.
You got a big sparkler. Taking forever to light.
Dude, that's like the biggest spark.
Baby Peanut got her own little sparkler, y'all. For the very first time. Y'all see Baby Peanut?
Yeah, the thing is it's small. So, I mean,
We got a special guest over here with sparklers. Special guest over here, one of our neighbors in the apartment complex. He's talking to us. Sure, why you getting close to me now? Oh, really, Peanut? You tired of holding it? It's gonna go. It's gonna go down. Baby said she tired of holding it.
right there, Glow fam. We know it's a little dark. This is a little bit dark. You know, they got dark outside. We don't really do video too much at night. But there it is. We finished our 4th of July fireworks video. And wow. But yeah, man, we appreciate y'all, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and till the next time, man.
Keep on glowing, keep on growing.
All right. Bye.